Hi, this is Cassie from Norpie and Mingo. Today, I want to introduce you guys our new series of keychains, and they all packed in black box. You can see. This is the package they come with, very high-end black box packing. And for this series, we have 17 different shapes, and there are plenty of options for you guys to do any kinds of printing designs and for different usages. As we all know, keychains are always have large demands in sublimation market, and they are suitable to be promotional gifts, and also they are great personalized gifts. I know many customers selling those keychains in craft shows. So those new keychains are packed in black box. So it is very convenient for you guys to resell after sublimation printing. And you can choose your selfie or some monogram design to print on those keychains. They all come out with great printing effect. So next I will show you guys how to print these metal keychains with black box packing. And we have 17 different shapes, and you guys can check. There are 17 different shapes of those keychains. We have prepared the design and stick the aluminum disc with the design. Please remember, firstly, you need to remove the protective film on the aluminum disc. And then we heat up the machine to 180 degrees and set a time to 60 seconds.